West Red Lake Gold Mines is putting a new high-grade gold mine into production in 2025. This underground mine in Canada is fully built and permitted. We have already mined a bulk sample and we're building up our ore stockpiles, and we will ramp up production through the second half of this year towards our base case mine plan of 70,000 ounces of gold annually. That's a mine plan that generates strong returns for shareholders. West Red Lake Gold is one of very few companies putting a new gold mine into production in this very strong gold environment. Learn more about us at westredlakegold.com.